cos 6เท่าไหร่เลือกจำกันไม่แม่น
We're in high school and then things got kinda awkward. The sparks in the air. He would stare at her in class and she would try to act cool, but it was obvious, like ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours. 'Cause I want you, I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh.